is love. We stand united, brothers, sisters, rise above the crowd. In Babylon, no more confusion, faith is our shroud. Justice shines through just creation, truth in every seed. In the dance of life together, we plant righteous deeds. Selassie, our guiding light, no room for hate or greed. Feel the beat within your spirit, yes, we're finally free. Under the stars we gather bonds that can't be broken. Words of wisdom, fire burning, love is always spoken. Rastafari, give us strength, this path that we've chosen. In the warmth of your embrace, our souls forever golden. From the mountains to the oceans, hear the echo sound. Harmony in every heartbeat, footsteps on sacred ground. Liberty in every breath, Rasta minds stand profound. With every word and every song, the lost shall be found. Under the stars we gather bonds that can't be broken. Words of wisdom, fire burning, love is always spoken. Rastafari, give us strength, this path that we've chosen. In the warmth of your embrace, our souls forever golden. From the roots we find our family tree so deep and wide. Branches stretch through every heart, no need to run or hide. Unity in every leaf, our struggles cast aside. In the garden of forever, Rastafari our guide. Under the stars we gather bonds that can't be broken. Words of wisdom, fire burning, love is always spoken. Rastafari, give us strength, this path that we've chosen. In the warmth of your embrace, our souls forever golden.
Sky so blue above the green, hearts so pure with love they gleam. We stand tall in roots we trust, Rasta spirit never rusts. Justice calls from mountain high, in our hearts we hear the cry. Echoes in the breeze so sweet, harmony beneath our feet. Peace and love in every beat, feel the rhythm, move your feet. Rastafari in fire bright, guides our souls into the night. Hands united, strong and free, pilgrims of serenity. In the dance of life we sway, finding hope in every day. Sun and moon, they shine the same, pilgrims of serenity. In the dance of life we sway, finding hope in every day. Sun and moon, they shine the same, every soul has got a name. One love in this vast expanse. Together we will dance. Peace and love in every beat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Rastafarian fire bright guides our souls into the night. In the land where the sun stays tall, Rastas rise, they heed the call. Unity and love in the streets, sharing wisdom to the beats. Under the sky, blue and free, justice whispers to the tree. Faces glow in the moon's bright light, seeking peace through the night. Spread the love in the air, let the world show we care. Raise your voice, shout aloud, lift your spirit, feel proud. No borders in the fields of green. Truth is spoken, words serene. Rastafari guides our way. Harmony in every day. In the roots we find our power. Love blooms like a flower. From the earth to the sky above, we sow the seeds of love. Unity, justice, ringing clear. Peace is here, let go of fear. Rasta roots beneath our feet. Feel the pulse of life's heartbeat. No borders in the fields of green. Truth is spoken, words serene. Rastafari guides our way. Harmony in every day. The roots we find our power. Love blooms like a flower. From the earth to the sky above, we sow the seeds of love.
Chilling in the shade of the Zion sky, feel the beat of life buzzing like a firefly. Roots deep in the earth, reaching for the truth, singing for the wisdom of eternal youth. Love is the weapon, fighting hate. Open up your heart before it's too late. Take a stand for justice, hold your head high. Rastafari guide us, lift us to the sky. Peace, love, justice, that's the way. Spread good vibes every single day. One world, one heart in harmony. Feel the rhythm of sweet unity. Tread lightly on the sacred ground, where respect and healing can be found. Hear the whispers of the ancient trees, tell telling tales of love and peaceful seas. Under moonlit nights, we gather round, share together with this primal sound. Embrace the strength of our heritage, building bridges, tearing down old rage. Peace, love, justice, that's the way. Spread good vibes every single day. One world, one heart in harmony. Feel the rhythm of sweet unity. Peace, love, justice, that's the way. Spread good vibes every single day. One world, one heart in harmony. Feel the rhythm of sweet unity.
In the heart of Jah we find the truth. Roots run deep like an ancient grove, seeking peace, justice, love and youth. In the land where our spirits rove, Babylon tries but can't confine. We rise up with the lion's roar, hearts connected by a holy line. Love and freedom we must restore, chanting for justice from night till day. Rasta warrior spirit leads the way. Harmonizing love, let it sway. Together we'll break these chains away. In the rhythm of life we find our call. Drums of thunder, voice echoes tall. Unity bound in a righteous hall. Rastafari, watch we rise, not fall. Blessed are the hands that build with care, eyes that see through the smoke and lies. Rasta roots teach us how to share. Under one love the sun will rise, chanting for justice from night till day. Rasta warrior spirit leads the way. Harmonizing love, let it sway. Together we'll break these chains away. Of life we find our call. Drums of thunder, voice echoes tall. Unity bound in a righteous hall. Rastafari, watch we rise, not fall. Blessed are the hands that build with care, eyes that see through the smoke and lies. Rasta roots teach us how to share. Under one love the sun will rise,